It's been over 24 hours since we last had information from Chinese officials. Government controls in Tibet mean it's hard to get updates, and the area is closed off to foreign journalists. What we know is that more than 300 rescue personnel, joined by villagers, were heading up to the area where 200 hikers are stranded. But the snow is deep, about 3 feet, and covering the trail, according to hikers we've spoken to who've made it down. Time is a factor here. While most of the hikers were prepared for being at 16,000 feet, this was a freak storm. It brought strong winds, heavy rain, and this relentless snow, and it took even experienced hikers by surprise. So those who are stranded are now cold, wet, and stuck, and facing the risk of hypothermia. And there were other areas in western China hit by the same storm, with reports of one hiker dying of exposure, according to Chinese state media. The weather this time of year is cool but typically clear, making it a popular time for hikers to trek along valleys and slopes. It's also been a week-long national holiday here in China, so the trails were particularly busy when this storm hit. Chinese rescue teams are known for being organized and able to scale up, but on the Tibet side, roads in the area only go so far, so rescuers are heading up on foot. They're using yaks, horses, and drones, but this is a slow process in heavy snow to reach those hikers and get them to safety. Janice Mackey-Fraser, NBC News, Beijing.